Hello sweet soon, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time coming across this channel. You are watching Lady Big Kitchen. My people, I have another obonge delicacy to share with you. Let's see how this is being done. Making this delicious delicacy, my people, this one are the obonge recipe wey we go dey use for this video. Over here I have chicken beef that have marinated for 1 hour now. The next ingredient, I have the red and yellow bell pepper. I have 2 medium size of carrots, 1 medium size of onions, cucumber and hot pepper and ginger. After preparing all the veggies, this is how it looks. So at this point it's ready to use. For the chicken, I blended the chicken, so everything is ready and is ready to use. On this pot I will add in a little bit of oil, then add in the onions and the ginger and hot pepper and the chicken. I just add this, then I stir fry for 5 minutes.
Thank you, I'm grateful that I can call on you 24/7.
5 minutes later, I will add in the carrot, the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. Now I will add in half glass of water. Time to seasoning. I will be seasoning with some MAGGI cube and curry powder. Then add in salt to taste. Next I'll be adding is dark soy sauce and corn flour. I just mix the corn flour with a little bit of water. So last and not the least to add is the cucumber. So at this point I'll be adding the chopped cucumber and it's ready to serve. Yes, my people, I'm using this opportunity to be thanking you guys that is always been there for Lady Big Kitchen. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing our video, thank you for all the good things you are doing in this channel. We appreciate you all. Today we have 7K subscribers. We are praying for more. Thank you guys so much. At this point guys, our sauce is ready. Just take a good look at this sauce, my people. What are you going to eat with this sauce? Take a good look at that now. So the sauce is ready and it's calling you to come and take a taste. This come out so delicious and yummy. I did not regret making this recipe, guys. I really like the outcome of this recipe and I enjoy it a lot. So this recipe is going down with white rice and fried plantain. See you in my next video. Bye bye.